سلام كبرات تخاتلتي كم يكنيخوم دحند لهم لو ما عند قاء كم قصرنا مسرت ترخيبنا لنا مالتيو The Big Bang Theory Season 1 Episode 1 في حيزولكم متيازل لهم لو ما عندي قدمي يجن كم تخلو جيزة زبلكم ذا channel حدث لزغونت وتم حدش زغونكم سبسكرايب مقبارن نتانا دول ملكت مسكاتنا يترسعو وتم حدش زيكمكم كا لايك شير مقبارا يتحمقو ناب كل اختباء صح مالتي كالي زغونا رئيتو يغون حطو غلطة لكم كا ابتي كومنت سيشن ابتناي موهاب رئيتو خد صحفو تخليكم مالتي مبولو نابتناي لهم معنتي عدالي يازو لهم مدب كبلكم سناي مكتاب.
Do you think this possibility will be helped or hindered when she discovers your Luke Skywalker No More Tears shampoo?
It's Darth Vader shampoo. Luke Skywalker's the conditioner.
Wait till you see this.
It's fantastic. Unbelievable.
See what?
It's a Stephen Hawking lecture from MIT in 1974.
This isn't a good time.
It's before he became a creepy computer boy.
That's great. You guys have to go.
Why?
It's just not a good time.
Leonard has a lady over.
Yeah, right. Your grandmother back in town?
No, she's not a lady. She's just a new neighbor.
Hang on, there really is a lady here?
Uh-huh.
And you want us out because you're anticipating coitus?
I'm not anticipating coitus.
So she's available for coitus?
Can we please just stop saying coitus?
Technically, that would be coitus interruptus.
Hey, is there a trick to getting it to switch from tub to shower? Oh, hi, sorry. Hello.
Enchanté, mademoiselle. Howard Wolowitz, Caltech Department of Applied Physics. You may be familiar with some of my work. It's currently orbiting Jupiter's largest moon, taking high-resolution digital photographs.
Penny, I work at the Cheesecake Factory.
Come on, I'll show you the trick with the shower.
Okay.
Bon douche.
I'm sorry?
It's French for a good shower. It's a sentiment I can express in 6 languages.
Save it for your blog, Howard. All right, there it goes. It sticks. I'm sorry.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Oh, you're just gonna step right. Okay.
Hey, Leonard.
The hair products are Sheldon's.
Okay. Can I ask you a favor?
A favor? Sure, you can ask me a favor. I would do you a favor for you.
It's okay if you say no.
Oh, I'll probably say yes.
It's just not the kind of thing you ask a guy you just met.
Wow.
I really think we should examine the chain of causality here.
Must we?
Event A, a beautiful woman stands naked in our shower. Event B, we drive halfway across town to retrieve a television set from the aforementioned woman's ex-boyfriend. Query, on what plane of existence is there even a semi-rational link between these events?
She asked me to do her a favor, Sheldon.
Ah, yes, well, that may be the proximal cause of our journey, but we both know it only exists in contradistinction to the higher-level distal cause.
Which is?
You think with your penis.
That's a biological impossibility, and you didn't have to come.
Oh, right. Yes, I could have stayed behind to watch Wolowitz try to hit on Penny in Russian, Arabic, and Farsi. Why can't she get her own TV?
Come on, you know how it is with breakups.
No, I don't. And neither do you.
But I broke up with Joyce Kim.
You did not break up with Joyce Kim. She defected to North Korea.
To mend her broken heart. This situation is much less complicated. There's some kind of dispute between Penny and her ex-boyfriend as to who gets custody of the TV. She just wanted to avoid having a scene with him.
So we get to have a scene with him?
No, Sheldon, there's not going to be a scene. There's 2 of us and 1 of him.
Leonard, the 2 of us can't even carry a TV.
So, you guys work with Leonard and Sheldon at the university? I'm sorry, do you speak English?
Oh, he speaks English. He just can't speak to women.
Really? Why?
He's kind of a nerd. Juice box?
أما بقول خبرات تخطتلتي زانا يلوم ما حنت زنبرت مدب نزيات مثل نيرا ተስፋ ገብር ካብዚ እንዳስሓቁም ተማሃሩ ክትህልው ከም ትኽሉ ግዜ ዝብለኩም ርእይቶ ገለ ዝኾነ ነገር ተለኩም ኣው ጻሓፉ ካልእ ከምቲ ኣብቲ መእተዊ ዝበልኩም ቶም ሓድሽ ዝኾንኩም ሳብስክራይብ ዘይገበርኩም ሳብስክራይብ ምግባር ኣይትረስዑ እቶም ሓድሽ ዘይኮንኩም ድማ ሼር ዝረስዓኹም ወይ ላይክ ዝረስዓኹም ተለኹም ከዓ ሃየጥውቕ ኣብል ኢኹም እዚኣ ዓባይ ሓገዝ እያ ካልእ ክሳብ ሶኒ ጂ ናይ መወዳእታ ናይ ኤፒሶድ 1 ጂ ሒዘልኩም ክሳብ ዝመጽእ ሰሰናይ ንዓኹም